Folks, welcome to Best RV Channels. We're presenting a brand new 2025 Noble RV Suite 3. The beautiful about this unit, it has a nice patio system in the back from the bedroom, as well it has the main entry door from the centers. As you see this unit, the beauty about this unit is you don't need a propane. No propane, it's all electric. So that's mean I could do all my business here off electricity. No need to go run and grab propane and fill tank. Now, let's start first thing with the structure. It's an aluminum frame with an Azdel fiberglass structure. The Azdel is very good, so there's no separation and extra installation in the wall. Frameless window, as you see, the square one. Nice power awning with LED light. Look how many windows in this unit. It's so beautiful. I wish it was a sunny day today, but you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 windows and just on this side. So imagine if it's a sunny day, how bright is inside. And then we have a nice front frameless window box here, and it's a metal, so I can store whatever I want, and no need to have a propane tank. And if you come this way, you will see a beautiful two slide out with a slide toppers. Look how many windows. It's fabulous. Even it comes with the ladder prep, as you see here. Ladder prep has the biggest hot water heater, 12-gallon hot water heater. Solar prep also. Look how beautiful it is. So this trailer is perfect if you want to put it on a spot where there's no way to get a propane, and also perfect if you want to take it and you and the family camp in it. It's perfect for kids as well if there's no kids. So if it's just only you and the wife, you have a nice beautiful king size bedroom in the back and a beautiful bathroom, beautiful living room. But if you have a grandkids, we have an upper there loft. Let's go inside and see the RV Suite 3 from inside. As you see, it's easy to get in and a nice grip handle, sliding doors. Guys coming in, look how beautiful this kitchen. Solid service countertop. This is not a formica, this is a solid service. Big sink, one piece, spray faucets, a lot of beautiful kitchen. It has, you can see here, we could go on, and voila. So I have electric 2-burner stove, very modern. And then I have a nice convection microwave, so I could cook, I could do pizza. It's all loaded. And then you have a nice pantry here, another closet here. I like this frameless, no frame shelf with LED light built in. Plugs for 110, USB charger, tinsel doors, as you see. A lot of doors. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then another storage here. Storage for trash can and shelves. I love the fridge. This is classic fridge. It reminds me in the 70s. Beautiful fridge, beautiful freezer. Has 1, 2, 3 big doors in the freezers. Very loaded, and as you see, I'm running everything off electricity. No need to have a propane. Then let's walk on the nice beautiful dining. Now these chairs, they're foldable chairs. You don't have to use the 4 chair. You could use only 2 if just you and the wife, or just 2 people. But if you have more people, you could sit another 2 on the other side. What I like about it, I'm sitting here, look how beautiful 65-inch smart TV. You could sit, eat, watch the game, and you have no issue. Plus, you have a beautiful fireplace over here and a produced heat. You can see it's warm. So this unit has the 3 heaters. So it has a fireplace in the living room, fireplace in the bedroom, as well it has another electric heater in the bathroom. So you have 3 heaters. Now this unit is equipped with 2 ACs. There's 1 AC in the living room with fantastic fan and a ceiling fan, as you see in the top. There's a second AC in the bedroom. So it keeps this unit very cool, and if in the winter time you could really warm it really good. Now you see here the lounge. I could sit down. Oh my god, nice. Where's my drink? You could sit, raise your feet, watch the game, watch TV. You could sit another couple people here with no problems. You have plenty storage. You have extra storage here. So if you need more closet, pantry, you name it. Another shelves, closets and shelves. I like the finishing here. It looks like old piece of lumber with that classic edges. And then this unit is equipped already with look how, if I get my door here, I could open. Look how it is, very loud. Central vacuum. It comes with accessories, so it's loaded. Now if we go to the bedroom, you have a nice solid pocket door here for privacy between the living room. It's a barn door. And then very roomy, another fireplace. Is very cozy. You lay down here, a nice king size bed. You have the fireplace there. You have the TV in the corner. You have reading light, USB charger. Another more closet. Nice 3 windows. Place to hang, like towels or clothes. And you have a big closet there. There's a lot of storage, a lot of doors around here, so you could put a chair for makeup or desk if you want to put a laptop. There's a plug. There's also doors here. There's more doors. You can see it's so roomy. And also the beauty about it, it has entrance for a place to walk from the bedroom to outside. So if you are a morning bird, you like to sit in the porch, have a cup of coffee, well, voila, you have this porch here. Now you're gonna see this huge box. You're gonna ask me, what's this box? Well, it comes with a swing barbecue, so I could put this one at the edge of this patio and I swing it, and I could cook outside. So this is just to show you it comes with the unit. It's a brand new outdoor barbecue, and it comes also with outdoor barbecue table. So it comes with the barbecue and the table, and you could sit them outside next to your awning, cook, enjoy. But I just put it here just for you guys to see it. It comes with the unit. And then you have a nice patio. You want to walk from the patio to the outside, you can. You want to walk from outside straight to your bedroom, you can. Some people, they drive it straight to the oceans, so they could sit here at sunset and sit, have a nice drink and watch the view. So you could do multiple things with this patio. It has also outside light in the RVS3. Now, the reason why they give you the loft bed on this one, in case if you bring grandkids, or in case if you family have kids, we have a nice king size, 2 separate beds in the top here. Really, you could sleep 2 big full adult. You could sleep them this way, east north to west or east to west, whatever you want. You could sleep 3 kids. You could sleep 2 big adults here. A lot of storage, a lot of cabinets that are placed for them, shelf. So that's another thing. They have their own fan, so you could run the 12-volt system right there from the fan. Their own windows. So amazing. So it has actually 2 sleeping area. You could sleep 2 people here, 2 people in the back. Now the beauty about this one, also the bathroom. I want to show you the bathroom because it has a features. It's really amazing. Look how roomy the bathroom. Look at this modern sink. You have his and her sink, faucets, place for toothbrush. That's cool. Towels, soap, another towel rack here. I like the wallpaper on the, give you really old classic cowboy western. And then this is the 3rd electric heaters in the bathroom. This heat the bathroom area. It's really make it really warm. You have place for towels, more towels. A lot of makeup doors, or bathroom vanity doors. More storage. And then when it's come to the shower, there's another place here. There's another 3 shelf. They give you a hook for a shower. And then you have, look how high, so you have no issue for your height. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 shower heads. One of them is, I like this nice surround, beautiful, with a glass shower door, so you don't have to worry about the water going outside. Also, it has even travel lock, very roomy. It's a porcelain toilet. And then here's what I like about this closet. So no need to go to laundromat. They come with combo washer dryer. It has the largest capacity, 27 pound of wash, 13 pound of dry. One piece right there. It's already plumbed. You don't need to do nothing. These are adjustable shelf. You could put the shelf up and down, and it has LED light bar. That's nice. So you could see, you could take this shelf and bring it more down, so you have more storage, more closets. So you have 2 closets, then also another closet here. So in reality, they don't waste any space in this unit from storage. And then it has the Power Pro. This is the Power Pro. It's a nice controllers. I could talk to this trailer and tell them, hey, Power Pro, turn the light off. Hey, Power Pro, turn the light on. Hey, you could hear it. Hey, Power Pro, turn the light off. And then turn the light off. Hey, Power Pro, how are you?
Kitchen lights are off.
Voila. Hey, Power Pro, turn the light on. Hey, Power Pro, turn the light on. And then go
All
on.
of the lights are turned on.
Hey, Power Pro, good night.
Sleep well.
You see, guys? So I could talk to this one. I could tell her, good night, you know. Hey, Power Pro, turn the light all the way up.
All of the lights are turned on.
Voila. And it could do also more. I mean, I just give you some of the features this controller what it could do for you. Also, if you don't want to talk to it, you don't have to. You could just walk to that controller, push the switch, and be done with it. But as you see, the RV Suite 3, it's a nice house, nice trailers, nice apartment. You could take it anywhere you want it. Very roomy, a lot of windows, a lot of counter space, a lot of storage. It's perfect for you. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe and follow us for best RV with the new product. And if you want to leave us a comments, feel free. Or if you want to give us a call, you have our 800 numbers and you have our emails, and we'll be glad to answer any question, any concerns, and make it happen. Come to Best RV, make America camping again, and have the best camping from Best RV.